Lesson 26, Hands-on Practice, Exploring Business AI Tools. We've explored many use cases, tools, and case studies demonstrating AI's organizational potential. Now, it's time for practice explanation. Not just to play with the tech or be impressed, but to ask sincerely, can any of this actually help in my daily work? Start by developing awarenesses. Ask yourself, what task waste your time? What repetitive action drain your focus? This might include writing emails, drafting documents, finding files, preparing meeting notes, tracking tasks, or summarizing conversations. This isn't a tech question, it's a resource management question. Too often, people begin with a tool. What's the best chatbot or what's the newest AI tool? But that's the wrong starting point. Begin by identifying the problem. Then search for the right solution. If meeting documentation is the issue, test the relevant tool. If you struggle with presentation or document creation, try an AI-based writing or design tool. As you test a tool, don't just ask, does it work? Ask, does it really help me? Does it save time or just add a learning curve? Are you in control or just the tool force a rapid workflow? Does it adapt to your habits or reset every time? Are the results usable or do you always have to revise them? This isn't about technology. It's about task and time management. Also check, does the tool support Hebrew? Respect privacy? Will your IT department approve its use? Can it integrate into current processes without major disruption? Smart experimentation includes feedback. Pause after a few days and assess. What changed? Does it feel easier? Did your mindset shift? Are you spotting more areas for improvement? Be cautious of hype. Fleshy demos don't guarantee long-term value. Only tools that prove themselves under real-world conditions are worth adapting. Not every AI tool fits, but the right one can be transformative. Business AI world evolves fast. LLMs improve constantly, and new tools emerge monthly that can perform what once seems impossible.